Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. This practice will help us explore how to hold space for someone as they navigate adversity. Find a comfortable seat. Gently anchor down through your sitting bones and lengthen your spine up through the top of your head. Soften your shoulders and arms. And rest your hands in your lap. Now turn to your breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales, arriving fully into this moment. And now soften your breathing. Find a comfortable rhythm for your inhales and exhales. And simply stay present with your spontaneous cycle of breath, watching the breath flowing in and flowing out. Before we can care for others, we need to love and care for ourselves. When we hold gentle, kind space for our own emotions and our own experience, we can then allow it to spill out to our loved ones. So, as you continue to watch the ebb and flow of your breath, we'll extend kindness and compassion towards our hearts. With tenderness and friendliness, silently repeat the following word, feeling into their meaning and receiving them with openness. May I be free from inner and outer struggle. May I be free from inner and outer struggle. May I be free from inner and outer struggle. May I be free from inner and outer struggle. May I be free from inner and outer struggle. Notice how these words land. Notice how they feel in your body and in your heart. Now bring to mind someone in your life who's struggling somehow. Try not to overthink it. Whomever comes up first, let them be the object of your attention. You might like to visualize their face or the clothing they might be wearing. Get a feel for their presence and maintaining a sense of self-compassion. Begin to offer the same words, directing your thoughts to their health and healing. May you be free from inner and outer struggle. May you be free from inner and outer struggle. May you be free from inner and outer struggle. May you be free from inner and outer struggle. May you be free from inner and outer struggle. And once more, notice your breath. Like the waves of the ocean, let your breath move in and move out. And take a moment to notice how you feel. Now, we'll return to the words one last time. See if you can hold yourself and your loved one, directing the words to both of you simultaneously. May we be free from inner and outer struggle. May we be free from inner and outer struggle. May we be free from inner and outer struggle. May we be free from inner and outer struggle. May we be free from inner and outer struggle. And again, let the words dissolve and return to your breath. Spend a few moments here, letting your breath wash over you. When we see someone suffering, our natural instinct is to want to help. We might be tempted to offer solutions or unsolicited advice. Though at times this can be helpful, at other times, the best thing we can do is simply to hold space for what the other person is going through. That means we offer a shoulder to rest on or a warm embrace. We make room for our loved ones to feel what they feel without trying to change it. We just show up. As we drop judgments and show up without trying to fix anything, we create a safe space for the other person to explore their emotions. We offer a safe container that makes room for our loved ones to find their own solutions and move through their healing journey at their own pace. Though it can be very challenging to witness someone we love experiencing adversity, Holding space can be one of the kindest, most compassionate things we can offer them. And now gently return to your breath. Feel your body in space. Become aware of the room around you. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you again soon.